GridView controls can do more than just display information. By using some of their more advanced features, you can set them up to edit and even delete records automatically. To begin this lesson, open the Spark sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open reports.aspx in Design View. We are now going to add editing buttons to the GridView control. First, click Edit Columns from the Quick Tasks menu of the GridView. Now expand Command Field in the Available Fields list click Edit, Update, Cancel, and click Add. Now use the up arrow to move your Edit, Update, Cancel field to the top of the list. This will make your Edit, Update, and Cancel buttons appear in the first column of the table. Now click OK. Notice the Edit links on the left of the control. The Edit, Update, and Cancel links aren't very nice to look at by default. Using the properties in the Edit Columns dialog, you can customize them to look much nicer than the default HTML links. Setting the image URL properties of each field allows you to replace the links with an image, which usually looks a lot better. You can also use the Styles properties to change the appearance of the links. Now we're going to try out the new editing features. View reports.aspx in your browser. Now click one of the edit links next to a record, and the fields change into text boxes, allowing you to edit their values. Change the invoice number value to TSM-185. Now click Update. An exception appears. This is because the link data source control doesn't allow you to update records by default. Close your browser now. Now set the Enable Update property of the link data source control to True. Note that you can also do this using the Quick Tasks menu. Now view the page in your browser again, and again try changing an invoice number to TSM-185. This time, the record is updated successfully. Close your web browser now. Next, we're going to add delete buttons to the GridView control. Open the Edit Columns dialog of the GridView by using the Quick Tasks menu. Now add a delete field from the Command Field category. Note that along with Edit, Update, Cancel, and Delete, you'll notice Select. The Select field allows the user to select a row in the grid view, which will be highlighted and will be accessible to your C# code as GridView.SelectedRow. The only reason to use a select field is if you intend to use C# code to take an action depending upon the selected row. When a select field is clicked, the Selected Index Changed event of the grid view runs. By using more advanced fields, such as the Button field and Template field, you can customize the behavior of your grid view controls even further. You'll learn more about this in Lesson 12.4. Click OK now. Now set the Enable Delete property of the Link Data Source Invoice control to True. Just like you needed to set Enable Update to True in order to update records, you must set Enable Delete to True in order to delete records. As long as you don't set these properties to true, you can be assured that your link data source controls will never update or delete any records. View the page in your browser now. Now test out deleting a record by clicking one of the Delete buttons. The record is deleted from the database. You've now completed Lesson 11.5. Add editing features to a grid view.